Where to find color correction and adjust how colors display on your phone for your Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro phone, and let's get started. The fastest way to find this settings here is using the quick panel access, tapping on the settings gear icon right here, and in this search settings here, type in the words color correction. And as you start typing it in, you're gonna see it as a suggestion here. Tap on it one time and you'll be taken exactly where you need to go next. And as you are here, and if this is your first time knowing about this here, you're probably wondering what does it do. So as I go here and turn this switch on here, you will see that some colors will now appear differently on your Pixel 8 screen here. You got this one here as well. That's gonna make it look like this here. And then the blue one here, just gonna make it look more like this here. And finally, if you've been looking for the gray, black, and white colors only, this is where you would go to do this as well. And one more cool thing here, if you go down a little bit, you'll see that there is a shortcut option, or option I should say. Why am I saying option? Anyways, so you'll press got it here and you'll see this toggle here wherever you are. And every time you tap on it, you can turn it off or turn it on at any given time. You can also go here and choose to use the volume keys as your shortcut if you're using the navigation swipe gestures, or also change the shortcut by either having it there or in the navigation buttons, okay? And if you don't like any of these here, you can simply just come out of it, turn off your shortcut, make sure you turn this off here, and you're back to normal, like and so.